Rhonda, can you hear me?
Hi.
Hey, Rhonda.
Hi, Amanda. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. I'm hanging in there.
Those testimonials were amazing. Like I'm sitting over here just like, I can't even believe it. It's just so inspiring to hear everybody else's testimonials, right? That's the best part about getting on these webinars every week, I swear. It's just so inspiring. But I've been in the online space for about 6 years now, and I've taken plenty of programs and implemented what they said, and you never got like the meat and potatoes, right? They would just tell you, "Oh, go do this," and you're like, "Well, how do I do that? Like, I don't know how to do that, you know?" And they'd be like, "Well, figure it out. You'll find a way if you really want it, right?" And you dig in and you're working and you're trying to figure out all these things, and you still aren't having any success, and you're feeling like what am I doing wrong? Like I'm putting in the work, I'm doing the hours. So when I was introduced into SSM, I can tell you the very first training, when I opened up the training and started watching it, my jaw was just like dropping. I was literally on my phone texting Monica going, "Oh my God, like this is like gold. Where has this been all these years?" I mean, that was literally what I was thinking. It was like, if I had known this stuff years ago, like it's simple. And the way you break it down in the training, Amanda, it's so step by step and simple that even people that are just starting online can do it and have success. And that has just been truly gold, truly gold for me. Been changing my life. Like I'm having so much fun. The community is amazing. There's so much support, and there's always more. It's so fun. You can even go back and watch the trainings again, because when you do, you're always finding little things that maybe at the beginning, when you first started, you didn't understand, so you missed it, right? Then you go back and you're like, wow, how did I miss that? Like now I gotta like start doing this, or you tweak little things, and it's just amazing. I can't even tell you how excited I am to be here, and just the value of the training is unbelievable. So just thank you so much for simplifying it and just making it so good for everybody.
Yes, thank you so much, Rhonda. And I'm grateful for you too, Rhonda. You're doing such a good job.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, you really are. So I just want to say, guys, I hope that this information has helped to enlighten you, but not only that, inspire you. I hope that the testimonials have opened up your ears to hear what's really happening and how people are having success with this platform. If you are here and you're already a member, one of the suggestions, it's just a suggestion, go back, go through the trainings, really get involved. If you need to this your day one, do so. If you are already earning money, level up, because peak season is right around the corner. You just need to level up. Go through the trainings more than once. Our community is here to support you. That's what we're here to do, is to support people, and we don't want people to feel like they're alone. Communication is key. Communication is key. All right. If you are new to SSM and want more information, get back to the person that invited you to the webinar, and they will be able to help you to get started. We have a public Facebook group. If you want to see what's going on there, you can ask the person who invited you for the link to get into the Facebook group to see what's going on. Everyone stay inspired, stay blessed, and we will see you again next week, Wednesday. Love you guys and have a great night. Hi, Mark.